Hello and welcome, future IELTS achievers. Are you wondering, how do I achieve the required score in IELTS? It's simple. With regular practice, sample tests, and study materials, you will familiarize yourself with the test format and learn to improve your skills. Additionally, seeking guidance from experienced instructors and participating in mock exams will help you identify areas for improvement and build your confidence. Hi everyone, I'm Vishal John, a passionate trainer and mentor with over 17 years of experience in the fields of sales, marketing, and training. But my true passion lies in education, specifically helping others communicate effectively and develop their potential. I'm not just a trainer, I'm a mentor who believes in helping you unlock your full potential. I'm here to guide you on your journey. While many trainers offer test preparations, what truly sets me apart is my unique and effective approach that prioritizes your success. Unlike traditional methods, I focus on building a strong foundation in writing first. Here's why. Writing requires the most practice, mastering grammar, having proper vocabulary, and critical thinking. These skills form the cornerstone for all other modules. By starting here, you'll gain confidence and transferable skills that benefit your overall test performance. My proven framework jumpstarts your learning. I have developed a structured yet flexible framework that helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses in writing. This allows me to tailor your learning plan, focusing on areas that require the most attention. Beyond writing, I incorporate innovative methods in each module. This holistic and personalized approach ensures you maximize your learning potential and leave the test feeling confident and prepared. If you're looking for a result-oriented trainer who goes beyond the traditional approach, I can help you achieve your language goals. In conclusion, with dedication, practice, and the right guidance, you can achieve your desired score in IELTS test. Thank you for joining us today. Good luck on your IELTS journey, and remember, you got this.